Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a beauty foundation review that I found at Sephora, and it's kind of affordable. It's in between. It is the Sephora Tinted Matte Moisturizer, which kind of sounds contradictory, but it is a lightweight, light to medium coverage matte moisturizer. We're gonna put it to the test for an entire week and see what we think about it. So wanna know what I think? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so today I am reviewing the Sephora Matte Tinted Moisturizer, which is kind of an odd combination. Usually a tinted moisturizer is super luminous and dewy, and I can't really do those very well. But this one is a matte tinted moisturizer, and I love this. I actually went into my Sephora to try and get it. They did not have my color, which if referencing in Estee Lauder Double Wear, I am 2N2 buff, so I did the Sephora match thing online and it matched me to a 6 in this color, and they did not have the 6, and so I ordered it while I was in the store, which you get free shipping, and then the guy gave me 2 of these samples so that I could wear it up until my shipment arrived, which was really nice of him. So I am using a sample today in the color 6, but it is coming. It's coming. So the nice thing I like about this is it dries to a powdery finish, feels like absolutely nothing on the skin. It's light coverage. You could probably build it to medium, but if you get it too thick, then it's gonna settle into lines. So don't do it too thick, just use concealer where you need to. But it stays matte and it looks like nothing and feels like nothing, and it doesn't break me out, which is awesome. It does oxidize a little bit on me, but it's almost immediate. Within like the first hour, and it doesn't turn orange, so at least not this color. So I have nothing on my face, and I'm going to show you because, you know, I've got blue and red and age spots and freckles and all sorts of stuff on my face, and so if I can make a tinted moisturizer work, I think you probably can too, unless you just have, you know, major things that you're really trying to cover up. So I'm not really trying to cover my face to where it's a blank canvas all the time. So I feel like this is a really good everyday foundation. And it is still hot here in Texas. It's September, but it's, you know, in the mid 90s with humidity. So, and it lasts. I do blot once throughout the day, but it looks fresh and great all day other than the one blotting. So let's put this on. So this is in some natural light. Now I don't have concealer on and stuff, but it just, I mean, it looks like I'm wearing nothing, but it has evened everything out. And once you put on blush, bronzer, highlight, concealer, and everything, it looks like I've got a full face on, but not a full face on, which I love. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll show you what the final look looks like. Okay, this is the final look. You can see it just looks like kind of nothing on the skin, but it's pretty, it looks natural. I don't look cakey or, you know, just overly thick or anything. It feels like nothing. I like this one, you guys. And it's $18 at Sephora, so it's not really drugstore pricing, but you know, my Estee Lauder Double Wear is 38 bucks. So it's half of the price of that. And I think it wears, I mean, Double Wear's got more coverage for sure. And I know that that's gonna stick all day, but for every day and just feeling like nothing, I like this one, you guys. Check it out at Sephora. All right, I'll wear this all day. By the way, today is day 6 of me wearing this, so this is not a first impression. I have worn this all week long, starting last Wednesday. Today is Sunday. So I have a pretty good idea of how it reacts with my skin. I do not have a primer on, just a moisturizer, and a lightweight one at that. So I'll see you at the end of the day and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, I'm about to go in the pool, so I figured I would get on here. It's 5:30. I put this on, there's my dog. I put this on at 8:30 this morning. I've blotted once, and it still pretty much looks great. I did have to blot once, but I love this stuff. I give it 2 thumbs up. Go check it out at Sephora. Okay, that's it for today's video. Today is day 7 of wearing this, and I am loving it still. I do blot once during the day, and if you're super oily, you might want to use a primer if you like primers. But I think this one's a winner, and it's 18 bucks at Sephora, so, you know, middle of the road as far as prices. But I'm enjoying it, and it's very lightweight and feels like nothing, and I like it. So 2 thumbs up for that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think might be interested in trying out this product. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if I've earned it, so that you're notified of every video I post, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, have a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.